Hello everybody, this is Vietnam Animal Vet Clinic and we are having an emergency case of a dying dog. So this dog named Sammy, he got parvo virus and this is one of the most dangerous virus in dog. And the percentage of death is 90% if your dog got this virus. You can see how dangerous it is. And look at Sammy, he is so tired and so sad. His owner said that he was vomited and have diarrhea seriously. But there are a lot of vaccines that can defend this kind of virus for dog. But some owner doesn't care too much about this and maybe they don't want to spend money for that. But okay, we will try our best to heal for him. Even the percent to win is about 10%, but we will try our best. So if you are watching this video until here, please give Sammy some encouragement and pray for him in the comments. So our ideas of treatment is very simple, that we will do a clinical treatment first. Parvovirus will lead to dehydration, vomiting, bloody diarrhea, fatigue and refusal of eat. So one of the most important thing here is rehydration, so that we will give Sammy rehydration and electrolyte replacement, and also antibiotic and other kind of medicine. And we will let Sammy stay here for 3 days to keep monitoring. So after 3 days, you can see that Sammy got better a lot. She becomes healthier and her health has recovered a lot, and especially she can eat normally. So that means we have won the battle with parvovirus. So we are so happy now for Sammy.
Ăn vạ. Mật ơi, em tên là gì đấy?
And in the afternoon, her owner came to take Sammy, and that was the happiest moment of them and also with us. Sammy has died to live again. Thanks God. Please take care for your dogs and puppies, and don't forget to let them take the vaccine in schedule. And don't forget to follow us to heal and save more life. We are Vietnam Animal Vet Clinic. We are one of the vet clinics in Vietnam where we're trying our best to saving animals.